Hello, in this video I'm going to explain about subnetting. At this point I am assume you have a prior knowledge of binary and decimal. Let's get started. We are going to see the classful IP address versus classless IP address ranges now. We are going to see classful IP address ranges versus classless IP address ranges. First we're going to see the classful IP addresses. Classful IP address ranges. So we're going to start with class A IP address ranges. That's starting from 1 to 127 with 8-bit mask. You can write the 8-bit mask like this: 255.0.0.0, and the ranges for class A IP addresses are 0.0.0.0 to 127.255.255.255. Then we go on the class B IP address ranges. That's from 128 to 191 with 16-bit mask. You can write the 16-bit mask like 255.255.0.0, and the ranges are for class B would be 128.0.0.0 to 191.255.255.255. Then the class C addresses is from 192 to 223 with 24-bit mask. With the 24-bit mask you can write like this: 255.255.255.0, and the class C ranges are 192.0.0.0 to 223.255.255.255. Mostly we will be using class A and class B and class C addresses only. There are two more classes, which are class D addresses. There are two more class D addresses. Class D addresses are ranges from 224.239. These are for multicast purpose. For the multicast purposes, and there's another one is class E. Class E IP addresses are from 240 to 255. These are for testing purposes. Now we're going to look at classless IP address ranges. Classless IP address ranges. Classless IP address ranges are, these are reserved ranges. Reserved ranges or private IP addresses. Also, these are called RFC 1918 private IP addresses. RFC 1918 is called request for comments. These private IP addresses are used in these IP addresses are used in private networks, used on private networks. And also these are not routable. These are not routable on the internet. Not routable over the internet. So the ranges of private IP addresses, ranges of private IP addresses. So that's 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. That's the first range. The second range is 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. The third range is 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. This is the range that we use in our home network. Your small router on your home network, if you look on your IP address, this will start with 192.168. something. This will start. These classless ranges doesn't have to fall on any of those classful IP address ranges. You can use these with any of those subnet mask. You can with doesn't have to be /8 or /16 or /24. It could be anything. You can use with /11, let's say /19, /21. You can use with any kind of mask. It doesn't have to be on a classful. These are classless ranges. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and I will see you again on the next one. Thank you.